This is a story about the instant noodles sent from heaven, also known as GreeNoodle. Our story starts with a lesser-known vegetable known as Moroheiya. This vegetable is rich in iron, calcium, vitamin C, and beta-carotene, contains more than 32 vitamins and minerals, and has a potent antioxidant capability. When placed side by side with other traditional vegetables, Moroheiya comes out on top in nearly every category. It has twice the dietary fiber and 5 times the calcium of spinach, and it even has 50% more beta-carotene than carrots, even though carrots are named after beta-carotene. Its discovery traces back to ancient Egypt, where it is rumored that Cleopatra used it as a secret to her beauty, and it was used to restore the health of a dying pharaoh. A Japanese man named Mr. Sho Oga saw this plant and was amazed at its health benefits. He began thinking about how to turn this plant into a healthy product that anyone, even children, could enjoy. It was difficult because Moroheiya has a sticky texture similar to okra, which many people don't like, but he discovered that by kneading the Moroheiya into noodles, the stickiness actually gave the noodles a pleasantly chewy texture, and thus, GreeNoodle was born. GreeNoodle combines the delicious taste of instant ramen noodles with the exceptional nutritional value of Moroheiya. A single package gives you nearly 50% of the fiber needed by your body daily. It contains components of mucin, which help to protect the mucosa of digestive organs, preventing indigestion. Other instant ramen products fill their soup base with artificial products such as preservatives, MSG, and food coloring. The noodles are usually fried before drying them, which means there is oil in the noodles that can become oxidized, which is extremely bad for the body once ingested. GreeNoodles contain none of these, and in addition, they are air-dried instead of fried, which allows for a much higher retention of nutrients. Parents who struggle to get their kids to eat their vegetables can struggle no more. GreeNoodle is healthy, delicious, and only takes 3 easy minutes to cook. It can also be enjoyed in a refreshing noodle salad or as a warm, comforting meal with your favorite pasta sauce. The possibilities of your own creations are endless. It's the instant noodle sent from heaven. Click here to order it online.